3 persons have been convicted and 6 others are before the court for their participation in a criminal network, including money mules responsible for a $61 million fraud, cybercrime and money laundering. Well, the convictions stem from the discovery of a SIM swap scheme in which victims first lost control of their mobile numbers. The perpetrators then used social engineering to create or take over online banking profiles before diverting funds into accounts controlled by money mules, who quickly withdrew the cash to frustrate recovery efforts. The offenses included engaging in transactions involving criminal property, unauthorized access to computer data or devices, and unlawfully making available devices or data for the commission of an offense. The convictions are the result of the collaborative efforts of the Financial Investigations Division, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency, MOCA. We hear from Keith Darian, Principal Director in the Ministry of Finance and Public Service.
Over the past year, combined strategies in operations, training, and policy have measurably improved our detection, interception, and apprehension of offenders, enabled dismantling of criminal networks, and resulted in more charges laid and more victories in courts. Amid our ongoing Money Mule public education campaign, these convictions are among the clearest illustration of the message we are sending to the public.